Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about COA or Alliance Games tokens. We'll cover everything from the project overview, price prediction, and also how to buy it on Binance Alpha because COA just get listed on Binance Alpha. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then you can search COA, COA. You can search it and you will find it COA on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart, guys. So you can see this is not really bad, I think, because it will pump, I think. So let's see the website. You can click info here. You will see 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. And then you can check their social media, their X. You can click it, and this is their X account. So an Alliance game just get fund from VCs, 8 million USD. It's good, and you can check their website. Let's see. So this is their website, built beyond limits multiplier for the next decentralized era. So basically they have on-chain user 42 420k users, and pass holders 35k, and they have 1 million nodes. Also the total transaction more than 30 million. So yeah, this is the projects, and there are some back from Animaco and others. It's good, I think. So yeah, and let's back to the charts, and this is the charts for price prediction from the technical analysis. I think it will be back here, guys, maybe in the 0.03, so double from now, I think. This is my price prediction, not financial advice. You can do your own research, and you can see the audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can swap your BNB or other token to COA, or you can also put limit order here. You can put the price you want. Let's see, like this. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.